Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a classroom management tool with ClassDojo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To build a classroom management tool with ClassDojo, start by navigating to the ClassDojo website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, click on the class section from the dashboard. Select Create a Class to initialize your new classroom setup. Enter the name of your class and customize the settings as needed. Choose your class theme by selecting from the available options. After setting up your class, you can add students by clicking the Add Students button. You can enter names manually or use a list to streamline the process. Once your students are added, assign them personalized avatars for a fun touch. Next, customize your classroom's reward system by selecting the Class Story tab. Decide on the behaviors you want to encourage, such as helping others or staying on task. You can also define negative behaviors that will help manage classroom conduct. Set goals and points for each behavior to engage your students. To communicate with parents, use the Messages feature to keep them updated. You can send announcements, share photos, or update them on student progress. Encourage parents to connect by providing them with a unique code for their child. To monitor student progress, use the Portfolios feature to gather and showcase their work. You can also review reports on each student's behavior and participation. Customize notifications to keep both you and parents informed in real time. Finally, explore the ClassDojo resources section for additional tips and classroom activities. With your ClassDojo classroom management tool set up, you're ready to enhance engagement and communication. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.